Elite Imaging, when every medical detail matters.
CT, also known as computer tomography, is a quick and easy test that allows us to image virtually any part of the body. CT has a very detailed, high-resolution X-ray, resulting in hundreds to thousands of images that can be reformatted in any plane to create 3D images of the body. CT scans can take as little as 5 minutes, depending on the region of the body, and help in diagnosing patients with thousands of conditions, including bony fractures, sinusitis, COPD, lung nodules, Crohn's disease, renal stones, conductive hearing loss, and coronary artery disease. Patients undergoing a CT scan at Elite Imaging can expect to be greeted by a friendly and knowledgeable staff. We strive to make the experience as pleasant as possible by placing everyone at ease and addressing all of their questions and concerns. Patient care is our #1 priority. Patients having a CT scan will register at the front desk and then be brought back to the CT area by a member of our technical staff. A technologist will then sit with the patient and explain the exam in detail, then obtain some medical history pertaining to the exam. If contrast is required, patients over the age of 60 will need to have blood work done prior to the test in order to check their renal function for the injection of contrast. This is routinely done by your doctor's office, and the results are faxed over to our facility. Patients having a CT scan can expect to lie down onto a cushioned exam table, which will rise upward and slide into the scanner. As the CT scanner begins to rotate around the exam table, it takes hundreds of images. A specialized technologist will be nearby in a separate room monitoring the scan as it is in progress. The patient will be able to communicate with the technologist via intercom at all times. We urge patients to call us with any questions or concerns. We look forward to taking care of you here at Elite Imaging.